Hey folks, it's the Blind Guy here, coming back at you with another product review. And this one is for all of the parents out there, particularly single dads like myself. I think that I have found the holy grail of necessary accessories if you are a parent and you have toddlers who are potty training. And so it is this guy right here. This is the folding potty seat, and this has been a lifesaver. So it comes in this size right here, multiple colors. The link is in the description below. I bought it myself, not a paid endorsement, but I just thought I have used this. I haven't used this. My daughter has used this many times, and it has saved our bacon numerous times when we're out and about. And so I'll show you how it works. It just folds up. It's plastic. It's a pretty durable plastic. Unfolds like that, has suction cups on the other side, and I have not found a toilet that this does not fit yet. So it fits right over the top, and it just makes the toilet seat a lot smaller for the toddler, and I believe that gives them a little more security and allows them to relax a bit better and accomplish the job. And the cool thing is that then you don't have to bring a portable potty with you anywhere, because as long as you can find an actual toilet, you can turn it into a portable potty. And then I think the transition to using a regular toilet is going to be a lot easier, because once she's larger, I can just stop using this. It comes in a little carrying case, so you don't look stupid walking around with this. I just throw it in the stroller, and then wherever we have to go, guys out there know that men's restrooms are not usually built for toddlers or babies, so it is super nice to have. I always clean it because but it has, like I said, it has literally saved my life numerous times. And so it's only $14, but of all the baby and toddler accessories that I have purchased, I think this has been the best so far, and I was not expecting that at all. And so I just wanted to help you guys out a little bit if you're doing the potty training adventure, or if you have one that's already potty trained but is a little too small for regular toilet seats. This is an excellent investment. So those are my thoughts. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about it. And I just wanted to say thank you guys to my subscribers and viewers. I am not monetized, so I just do this for fun, and I hope that these videos help you guys out. I literally just think of stuff that I want to review and give my view on. And this just, I wasn't using this, my daughter was using this, and I thought, maybe I'll do a review of that. Maybe that'll help another single dad out there. We got to stick together, right? So there you go. That is the folding potty seat, available on Amazon. Link in the description below, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of A Blind Guy's View. Laters on the Menjay.
Laters on the Menjay.